Hello again guys and welcome back. Nandi here today with another exciting video, unboxing video. Another thick envelope with foreign banknotes. I said unboxing, exciting unboxing because many of you knows that this kind of videos or this playlist is your favorite playlist to watch on my channel. And also here we have, as always, some cool banknotes that I will keep for my collection. So most of them will go back to eBay, and the rest, some of them, I will keep them for my modest foreign banknote collections. So if you are new to my channel, this is how I collect. But I'm mostly a banknote reseller on eBay, so that's why I say that. I'm a very modest collector, so I don't spend big money to buy fancy banknotes, everything uncirculated, etc. So this is my modest way. So I will buy from different sellers on eBay lots of foreign banknotes. And yes, most of them will go back to eBay for a profit, and I will keep few of them for my collection. But some high value banknotes also, I will not keep them for my collection. I will resell them because I need to make some profits, so I need the money to buy again and again and again. And of course I'm really interested to buy silver commemorative coins. So if it's something serious about collecting, for me they are the silver coins in general, and silver commemorative coins, especially Portuguese coins. Those are my favorites, together with Australia and New Zealand and Canada, of course. Anyway, let's begin now. Most of these banknotes, you have seen them in my previous videos. These are the most common one. Most of them are common banknotes you will find on these mixed bundles from eBay. The first one is a 500 rupiah from Indonesia, 1992. I do love Indonesian currency. I have a good amount of Indonesian banknotes in my collection. Very beautiful designed, but this banknote will go back to eBay. This is another one, another common one from Greece, 500 drachma, 1983. Most of them are in circulated condition, and some of them are very damaged, but anyway, I bought them, so most of them I will mix with other banknotes that I have in stock here, and yeah, I will resell them. This is the pre-euro 200 drachma, another Greek banknote, 1996. Very nice. And we have another Greek one, another common one, 100 drachma, 1978. Very nice. Back to eBay. Asia now. We have Myanmar or Burma, 5 kyats. I do collect these banknotes. I have already this banknote in uncirculated condition. This is one of the most common from this country. I do love to collect them, but this is not in a good condition. So yeah, back to eBay. And we have another common one from Argentina, 2 pesos. One of the most common Argentinian banknotes you will find on the mixed bundles, back to eBay. And another banknote, or 2 banknotes from Turkey, very common one, either the first or the second. This is the hyperinflative lira from the 80s and 90s. This is from the 70s, 100 lirassi. Turkey, and another one. Fairly nice condition. Turkish lira is selling very good on eBay. Very nice. Back to eBay, another common one, Yugoslavia, 10 dinara, the communist Yugoslavia. I believe this is from the 80s, or no, this is from 1958, but it's the same design in the 60s, the 70s, and in the 80s, so they didn't change their basic design. And this was one of the banknotes, was my primary objective, that I wanted to win this auction. This is not a common banknote, 50,000 Italian lira, pre-euro. So yeah, Italian lira, especially mixed, or the pre-euro series mixed with the lowest denominations from this series is selling very fast. So yeah, this will go back to eBay, but will go mixed with other Italian banknotes. Buyers love that kind of mixing, let's say. Another cool banknote, not in the best condition, from Austria, 20 shilling, 1975, I believe, this series. I have already this banknote in a much better condition. Not a common one, not a common banknote, but anyway, this will go back to eBay. Here we have another Turkish, and here we have the new Turkish lira. 5 new Turkish lira banknote from 2005. They dropped the 6 zeros from the hyperinflative lira. I believe the highest denomination until 2005 was the 20 million lira. So they removed the 6 zeros. So this is the 5. Not a common banknote. So this is the first Turkish new lira in 2005. But in 2009 they decided to put another new series without the yeni. Yeni means, or translate, new, without the new. So just 5 lira. Here we have another very common one, 100 złotych from Poland, 1986, communist era. Proletariat, the famous slogan of the communist countries. And here we have, not so common, but well, this denomination is a common one, 200 sum, or some, from Uzbekistan, 1997. I have a nice amount of them in much better condition. Back to eBay. And now let's see the second envelope, because each of these envelopes contains 15 banknotes, so 30 banknotes in total. Let's see the other one, what we find here. Honestly, I don't remember very well, because I have bought many mixed bundles lately, and honestly, I forgot what I bought. So this is another one from the 2005. This is the 10 new Turkish lira, not in the best condition, but this banknote is not a common banknote. These are selling very well. The 2005 series. Back to eBay, another common one from Portugal, 100 escudos from 1985. Back to eBay. I like to mix the the pre-euro currencies altogether, Italian lire, Austrian shillings, or Greek drachma, Spanish pesetas. They are selling very, very fast. Another one from Portugal, 50 escudos from 1980. Very, very nice, common one. This is a common one from, not in the best condition, but it will sell. From Austria, 20 shilling, 1967. Very, very nice. Back to eBay. Another Portuguese one, the 500 escudos from I believe this is 1993. Beautiful series from 1993. Here we have not so common one from Hungary, 500 forint, 1975, but the same basic design was from the 60s, 70s and 80s. The same basic design, only they have changed the dates. Very, very nice. I believe this is the capital. I was I believe I was in Budapest in 2019. Yes, I was. Now I remember. This is the part of no, I was in this part of the town, Buda or Pest. I can't remember these parts, but this was I believe, the parliament. It was a fantastic site. Another Italian one, again, not in the best condition. Is it already taped? But I will fix it. 5,000 lira per euro lira to eBay. This is a Spanish pesetas, 100 pesetas, 1970. This series has some really gorgeous designs. And this series is one of the most expensive from Spain, especially the largest denominations. And here is a banknote. So I said that I will keep a few banknotes for my collection at the beginning of the video, but I believe I will. Sorry for my voice, guys. I believe this will be the only one that I will keep. 10,000 Russian ruble, post-Soviet era, 1995. My favorite series is the 1997, but they are almost identical in design. I believe they are identical. I don't remember very well, and this is a very, very scarce banknote. Missing one part here, but anyway I will keep it because this is a very, very scarce banknote. So yeah, the first banknote for my collection. This is a common one from Belgium, 20 francs. The Atomium in Brussels. Here we have a Chinese one, one from 1982, one Jiao, back to eBay. This is the start of the hyperinflative years from Yugoslavia, 5,000 dinara. These banknotes goes, I believe the highest denomination was in the 1994, 1995 was the 500 billion, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, pretty worthless. And the last two, oh no, this is another banknote that I will keep. This is a scarce one, 1994, Uzbekistan, Republic of Uzbekistan, post-Soviet Union. This is their own currency now. Very, very beautiful. I believe three some. This is the first serious design, let's say, 1994. Soviet Union collapsed in 1991, so they had some, let's say, monopoly-looking currency in those first years post-Soviet Union, and this is the first serious design. I will keep this. So only 2 banknotes for my collection. This is fairly common banknote from Madagascar, 100 Ari. Back to eBay, another one from Uzbekistan. So today we had three different. So this was one of the 1994. But this is not the, I believe this is not the same series. This is the previous one, if I'm not mistaken. I have this in uncirculated condition, back to eBay. And the last one, another one from Yugoslavia. This is the nicest series from Yugoslavia, 1981, 1000 dinara. So yeah. So yeah, guys, this was the today's unboxing video. Not too much as for my collection, only these 2 banknotes, but I'm happy I have a good amount. The last 3 or 4 last unboxing were very special. I had plenty of banknotes there to keep for my collection, but anyway, lately I don't keep any more fancy banknotes for my collection because, as I said, I need money for my business to run, and of course I need money for silver commemorative coins, so that's my objective now. Anyway, this was today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, please give the video a thumbs up. These are the banknotes that I will resell on my eBay store. Check it out if you're interested to buy banknotes from me. Of course, I will mix them with other banknotes in much better condition. So yeah, these are the banknotes, guys. This is my website, nandicollector.com. It is linked with my official eBay store. Check it out. The link is in the video description. It's the first link you see now above the comment section. So check it out if you're interested, or if you're not interested, check it out anyway. For your curiosity, I've listed there hundreds and hundreds of foreign banknotes from my unboxings, but also from my own personal collections, because I don't need anymore most of them. So pretty nice banknotes there. In mixed condition, of course. So guys, nandicollector.com, check it out. And these are my social media. This is my official logo anywhere. So yeah, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please give the video a thumbs up. And if this was your first time watching one of my videos, and if you like coin or banknote unboxings or coin roll hunting videos, this is a perfect video for you, and please consider subscribing to my channel. You will find hundreds of other videos like this. Again, guys, thank you very much for your support, for your comments. Ask me anything numismatic related in the comments below, and I will reply to every single one of you. Guys, again, thank you very much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.